Hey everyone, welcome back to Luxury with Calvin. I'm Calvin. Duh. Hello. Today I finally got my hands on the very super ever popular e.l.f. Halo Glow. What are you called? e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Glow Booster for Radiant Skin. So well, first of all, I wasn't planning on picking this up, right? Because I have very textured skin, very dry skin, so I obviously love a luminosity, but the problem is with dry skin and textured skin, you can't wear too much stuff that is very reflective because then it kind of picks up on the texture on the skin, so it will show like bumps and everything. But I'm curious because everyone in YouTube land is saying that this is amazing, better than Charlotte Tilbury, and I have Charlotte Tilbury. I actually have it in my makeup kit. But I don't use it myself because I find that it's very textury on my skin. So I'm definitely curious. And I got two shades. I got medium and medium tan, 4 and 5. So let's try it and let's see what it looks like. So I pulled in the mirror a little closer because we're gonna test. We're gonna test to see which shade I am because I have no idea. I actually went to Target today and I just had the gentleman go in the back and pull this for me because they didn't have it on the shelves. So that was shade medium. Oh my god, that's super dark. This is medium tan. So this is medium and here's medium tan. So that's clearly too dark. So you know, I wonder if I should have even gotten a slightly lighter shade, like a light medium. But we'll go with medium and let's see how this looks. So that's medium tan and here's medium against my skin. Also, I looked on the Ulta website and they didn't have this at Ulta yet, but they have it at your local Target. So, you know, look on your app and see what store has it, and if they don't have it out, just have one of the sales associates look in the back for you. So let's try medium. I will say that as I'm putting this on like this, I feel like it for people that have acne prone skin, that can be kind of unhygienic in a way because you're literally, you know, I mean, I'm assuming that your skin is clean, which it should be before makeup, right? But you know, just a little thought. Okay, wow. This is extremely reflective. I will say, for shade references, this is shade medium, and as you blend it, it turns into more sheer, so it looks more natural. But when you initially put it on, against my skin tone, it's kind of neutral, so it has like a little bit of pink in it. Okay, definitely my thoughts so far is that this is extremely reflective. This would not be good for people that have really large pores. But you know, let's just try this and let's see how it's gonna look. I definitely will say that this is definitely not as shimmery as Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury was definitely way more shimmerier. This does in certain lights, like right here, it looks like a metallic sheen, but it's not metallic. Yeah, definitely in no way it's pore blurring, but let me just show you guys. So this is shade medium all over my skin. It's definitely very glowy and kind of in a way very reflective. So it's not like smoothing by all means. Why don't we put foundation on and let's see what this will look like with foundation and everything else on. Let's try. Oh, my base looks so good. So good. And that's obviously so good because I'm using Givenchy foundation with Dior concealer. So good. Let's set everything and we'll be right back. So freaking flawless. Look at that. Foundation, concealer, and powder. Yep, let's do a little bronzer. Gonna use Mario, Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer in shade medium. I love this product. This product is so good. Like, say if you like heavily powder your face after foundation, and this just like not only gives you a little bit of color from as like a bronzer, a cream bronzer, but the formula is just so good. It brings back some of that luminosity, almost as if like you're putting moisturizer. Look at that. So you got, you know, more of a soft matte look, and then you put this on. Bam, look at that. So good. It just brings back the glow. So you're getting like the warmth and then the glow. But it's also like the formula is so good. It's like sheer, and it's not like a thick bronzer. It's so good. Ugh, look at that. So good. So good. I mean, it's literally like gorgeous. I love this product. It's so good. So I'm actually, we have dinner plans tonight to go have Korean barbecue. If you live in Illinois or live in Chicago, there is a all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue called Mr. Kimchi. I went there once, but we're gonna go again because I'm gonna give it a try again because I didn't think it was that good. But then also, you know, you can't expect a lot from like an all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue. You know, it's all you can eat. So I feel like they have to be in a way buy cheaper quality meats. You know, think about it. If it's all you can eat, I mean, they gotta save money somehow, somewhere, right? Hello. We'll just use Miss Jaclyn Honey Drip. You guys, I use like the same product over and over and over again. You're gonna think that I'm a really boring content creator or beauty influencer, but you know, that's the reality, right? The reality is if someone truly loves something, they will use it over and over and over and over again. That's, you know, that's when you know someone really loves something. And when you really love something is when you actually finish it and you see like the bottom of the pan, or like you're like, you know, going like trying to get the last bits of lip gloss. Yeah, so that's it. So we did e.l.f. Halo Glow in medium. We have Givenchy matte foundation all over, Dior Backstage concealer, Laura Mercier Ultra Blur powder, L'Oreal SoftSculpt enhancer in medium, and Honey Drip by Jaclyn Hill lip oil. That's it. It is currently, what is it? It's currently 1:37. So I probably will be back. I'll be back tonight, and we'll check in and we'll see how this looks. But it looks great. I definitely have to say that just based on before the wear test, I just want to say that just initial impressions. This is not my favorite in terms of for people that have really large pores and texture. Even though it's gorgeous and glowy, once you blend it out, it all the pores and like the bumps, it just is more emphasized because it's extremely glowy, right? You know, when you think of like you want to blur everything, you want to smooth everything because of large pores. You think of like anything that is the opposite of shiny, because shiny is gonna draw attention to it. So you think of like more of a mattifying effect or like a soft mattifying effect. But I mean, with everything on, it looks great, you know? Here is a close-up look. Let me show you guys. So here is my skin. This is with everything on. So I will check back later tonight after dinner. Hello, I'm home. I don't know if my lenses are clean, but I'm home from Korean barbecue. If I have my clips, I'll definitely insert it. But I definitely want to give my thoughts on the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I will say that now that I have it underneath and I have foundation and concealer and powder on, I mean, it looks great, right? But will I really realistically reach for this again? Probably not. Just because, you know, I feel like in the beginning, it just, you know, as the first step after moisturizer, it was just very enhancing with texture and pores. I mean, obviously I use Laura Mercier Ultra Blurring Powder and I use a matte foundation, so that's why the skin looks smooth now. But, you know, if we're really realistically thinking on a realistic level of, will I grab this again? Probably not. Also, I just want to talk about brands trying to dupe another brand. You know, like, if you were going to come out with another product that is just like Charlotte Tilbury, couldn't you have not done like a doe foot to be like exactly like them and to be more like a pump or something, right? You know, I feel like when a brand is trying to dupe another product, dupe it in a more, do it in your like your own way, right? Don't do it to dupe another brand's product exactly the same or literally 95% exactly the same just so it could be like a viral product to sell a lot of units. So that's just my little 2 cents. I feel like it's a little overrated. I mean, I think that the product is nice. It's great for someone that doesn't have pores and texture. If you are someone that already has, you know, smooth skin or semi-smooth skin, this will be great because it's really pretty. But I think if you have pores and texture, this is not it. Just, it's not it. But give it a try. I personally won't be reaching for this because I really don't see the need for this, you know? I can see how it's really pretty, maybe like over like the cheeks. Like maybe as your last step, you can use it over the cheeks to give it a little extra boost of glow. But I think it's a little overrated. I mean, it's a drugstore product, so it's more affordable than Charlotte Tilbury, but so I guess if you're asking if you already have Charlotte Tilbury, do you need this? No, but if you want to try it, then get it. But yeah, I definitely won't really be reaching for this because it's not that amazing. So that's it. That's it for this video, and I will catch you guys in the next video.